Good afternoon. It is October the 4th, 2017, and time to wrap up our trading in the E-mini today. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, I came into the E-mini today expecting that we might have a correction day. Didn't have a lot of range to work with in the overnight session. We were hoping to buy 25s to 27s. We said 30 might be support if I were wrong. By the time we got over here and the market hadn't broken, my guess is that we were going to see the overnight session retested and probably taken out. And that's exactly what happened. We're now guessing that the market's going to close around 36. So we'll see if that actually transpires. My guess is that we will have a new closing high because we've made new contract highs. So it's time to see if that happens or not. So I'd identified 36 as the number the market would close out today, and we'll see if I'm right. Looking at the F1 screen, higher lows, higher highs, find a place to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, definitely P volumes over time. So if the market were to close right now, it'd be selling failure to take out 38 to 40. Don't have a lot of interest in the short side. Think the market's going to 25.50. Second sell would be 44 to 46. On the buy side, 30 to 32. And 25 to 27 for buy 2. Tomorrow's news, international trade, minus 42B. No one will pay any attention to that. Jobless claims 265. Hurricanes say that one might come in a little bit higher, but no one will pay any attention to it. Factory orders plus 1%. And then natural gas probably about 60 BCF. The news focus will be factory orders. Where's all the volatility gone? We have news that normally would just be roiling the markets, and my guess is we have so much of this type of news in Spain, the shootings in the United States, where's the tax package, hurricanes in Puerto Rico, Trump being attacked continuously, Middle East woes, North Korea, that the market's just kind of gone and they're not doing anything. They're content to stay long. They're not going to add to their positions. They're afraid of getting whipsawed by intraday news. Higher low, higher high on Z1. I'll look for a place to buy it. I don't really believe that. I think top of the trading range is held. So I'd like to get short to see if we could take out 125 even. Don't know if we can do that. So first sells 11 to 15. 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 1 to 5. And 25 to 29 for buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, I'll say 20 to 24s number 1, sell 27s to 31s. 3s to 7s, sell 2. On the buy side, 12 to 16 number 1, buy 5 to 9. And 25 to 29, buy 2. Friday's non-farm payroll numbers probably will freeze us. We have speeches by 3 Fed governors tomorrow. Gold. Higher low, higher high. F1 says buy it. I don't think F2 says that at all. Definitely a B, but volume is over time, so 79, 81, sell 1. 83, 85, sell 2. Pretty much where we were this morning. 74, 76, buy 1. A lot more aggressive on the buy side. And 70 to 72. So trying to buy 70s to 75s and sell 80s to 85s when you get right down to it. The idea that Friday's news will hold us in check. That's context. That's what we're trying to get you to work on. What type of news does it take to move the market? Will tomorrow's news or the overnight news move the markets? You need to work that, incorporate that into your analysis if you're going to excel at this. Well, crude oil, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Numbers were pretty good today for crude, but we didn't rally. So when bullish news doesn't rally a market, sell it. And the selling started. You can see we got a pretty clean break here at 50.10. So 50 even, 50 and a quarter, sell 1. 50, 50, 50, 75, sell 2. Pretty much that was we wanted to sell 50 50s, 50 75s. We wanted to buy 49 75s, 50s this morning. That's where we were. So we'll lower it. 49 50, 75, buy 1. 49 even, 49 and a quarter, buy 2. Big Libyan field came back online, 280,000 barrels per day. More supply. Never good. And futures, commodities, more supply means lower prices. Less supply, more demand means higher prices. And that's the way it works. Okay, euros, higher low, higher high on F1. Can be long. And looking at the euro. Ike's selling 15s to 25, sell 1, sell 40 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, buy 118, buy 17.75. And that does it for this October the 4th. Another quiet trading day, but we even came back after a couple of losers. Able to come back in and show positive. And how do we do that? We keep taking the trades. We don't quit working. The methodology, the markets, the structure and everything, access, the information we have access to If we work the trades, will give us a bottom line. So it's our job as traders to work the bottom line. That said, I'll see you bright and early in the morning wondering what kind of surprises the overnight news will bring. We live in more than interesting times. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.